Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram if the other story is not showing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to find your settings app, and then just go ahead and make sure that your date and time is set correctly. Okay. If you can't find it, just use the search bar and type down date and time, just like so. Tap on it, wait for it to load, tap on it, and make sure that you set it to automatic date and time and automatic time zone. After once that's done, go ahead and close the settings app. Now go ahead and find the Instagram app. If you're using Android, tap and hold, tap on the information icon. If you're using iOS, go ahead over to settings and app, then find Instagram, then just go ahead and offload the app, okay? Or offload data. For Android, scroll down and find storage. Now tap on clear cache, wait a bit, and tap on clear data. After that, go ahead and find your Play Store or App Store. Now look for Instagram, okay? Now as you can see here, if there is an available update, just tap on update, wait for the process to finish. And then after that, just go ahead and open up Instagram and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still won't work, well, you can just go ahead and at least tap on the three horizontal lines right here. Now scroll all the way down, okay? Scroll all the way down and find logout. Tap on logout and just log back in. Now that is it. That is how you fix Instagram other story not showing. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.